So remember this, where you can add AAA batteries? I forgot that I have a flash that has rechargeable AAA, what's that, EBL batteries. These are pretty good. You know what's funny? These batteries have more milliamps than the batteries in here. So where is it? Here. So for example, I'll use the new one. The new battery has 2000 milliamps. This has 2800, whereas this only has 2000. So just this battery alone has got more power than this. So if I use 6 of these batteries, I will basically have 16,000 milliamps. Like, this actually makes a lot more sense. Well, I've had this for about 5 years, so the capacity has gone down over time, so maybe it's like half that. But let's just assume it's half the capacity, right? That's still, what's that? 8,000 milliamps at the best. So maybe I should keep this in the camera as well, just to see, like, okay, how long will it last? Minus plus, minus plus. Are these the right orientation? Oh, I don't even know. I just put this in. Nope, that's not right. And I got the orientation all wrong. But let's see. Will this now work? So slide this in. Twist it. Turn this on. So will AAA batteries, oh, they are working. Oh, they are more stable. AAA batteries are stable. I'm just trying to focus on my phone. There we go. So look at this. There is way less. This is way better. So I can now use AAA batteries. So what that means is this, right? So I have a flash that I use, right? So if I'm on a shoot, I can use these batteries, which is what, around 4,000 or 5,200 milliamps with these, right? For 5,000 milliamps basically. So I can use these, right? That's fine. Or what's that, 4,000? Anyway, so I can use these and I shoot, and if when these die, I can actually end up using my AAA batteries, which when fully charged actually lasts 3 times longer than this. So these last 3 times longer. Guys, get this power, get this. Just buy it and just get batteries that are at least 2.8k milliamps. This is worth it. Wow, you definitely should use AAA batteries instead of Canon batteries. I'm sorry, I like your Canon, but this is better. This is better. And it works. So I can just slide this in, turn this, boom. That's done. Oh, it's not stable anymore. But it's fine. Yep. Turn it off. Turn it on. Boom, boom. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.